He got one. He got one. Na-unhook. Okay. He got another one. I hope hindi ma-unhook. The vibration is the sign. Bismillah. Come. Yay. Another same fish. Mackerel. It's another day of adventure in Lofoten. Our intent is over there. And beside there's caravan. We have twins. We have a very nice view. We like this spot kasi nakaka-unlimited fishing tayo. We're trying to find a grilling area and luckily our neighbor let us grill our fish. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, they came from Czech Republic. Oh. Thank you, Dayon. Thank you, Dayon. Ka-grill ka. O, diba? May mga neighbors kami dito. Ganyan yung mga campers helping each other. Yeah. Tanaw na tayo, Tisa. Fishing. Magaganda na kanyang view, oh. Diba? Balot na balot. Audience lang ko. Dito. Ang tuktok. Oh, dito guys. Saan ang punta mo? Ha?
Fishing.
Fishing ka na mo? Diego. Toyang. Akyat tayo dun sa dulo, sa taas ng bridge. Doon yung tent namin. Wow, kaganda. Oh, gwapo kaayo. Oh. Ayan yung ating baby. Baby tent.
Okay.
Hi! Awan po na akong view. It's very beautiful. Ha! Look at that. Doon ka nag-fishing. Oh, gilid sa... Stop. Believe ba, oh? Merong walker dito, oh. Nice. Walking lang ito siya, oh. Akyat pa tayo dun. Go, go, go!
Okay.
Kaganda. Sali ang view. Split. Walking, walking, and walking.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Ayan, position.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Cebu Mactan Bridge. Relax.
Andun po yung aming baby. Ayun o. Layo. Star cars coming.
Siguro to.
Hi, kaayo! Yeah. Ito po katayog siya, oh. Very hard. Hard. Oh. Picturean natin yan. Ayan, ang ganda. So, dito, ang lalim. Yo! Kakatakot. So, high. Matapang tayo dyan sa height na yan. Okay. Let's go back na. Let's go back to our car tent. Ayan na siya. Diyan kami tumatambay. Tapos tomorrow is another day. Naka-rest naman kami ng super duper. Okay, sulit lang. Sulit lang ang ating Oh. Sulit lang ang ating paglalakbay sa Lofoten. Ha? Nakapamasol kag daghan? Hindi nakakasawang view. Every day you're waking up like this. Nice. For those campers, travelers, this is one of a good spot. Yan. If you can manage staying in the caravan. The best part. Nagamit. This is our portable bucket na nabili namin last time. Yan. O, diba? Gamit na gamit. And of course, our power bank. Ayan. There is also a solar. Nag-charge siya. Especially when it's sunny day. Yan, steady lang yan, steady. Nadyo ni mangutan na paano na sila mulibang. O diba, mga gears na to, gamit. Coffee. It's rainy days again. Ha, ha, ha. Ganda ng ilutuan, sir. Snack muna tayo, boy bawang. My favorite boy bawang. Another one. Woo. Good job, boy. Very fresh, fresh from the ocean. We got 2 fish now. Kuya was an angler, eh? The same mackerel. 1, 2. Oh, another one. I-release mo yan, Hala. Oh. Oh, ang tapang, Look. Oh. Okay. The third one.
3 pieces, always the same.
This same fish, yeah. We got 3 mackerels, big mackerels. Grabe, Jessie, oh. Videographer. This is my job. Oh, look at that. Nice one. It's almost 50. Fourth one.
But we have to
Oh, this one. We got 2. Actually, it's 4. And 2, we gave it away. Ayan. So, unsay luto na to, ani, sir? Ha? Sabawan natin? Pugos na to sila makuha, oy. Inyuhan na. Kay daghan kayo.
Natay gunting, wala.
Luto ng sabaw. Yan. Para ma-preserve hanggang bukas, gawin nating hinunonan. Para siyang paksiw, but more soup. Grabe, fresh from ocean.